Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install simple voice chat in Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for simple voice chat. Open any website, but in my case, I will select the CurseForge website. After that, go to the Files section and download the mod of preferred version. After that, open a new tab, search for Fabric, open the website and download it. After the downloading is completed, open the download location and run Fabric Launcher. Now select the Minecraft version you are using and install it. After that, copy the mod file and open Run by pressing Windows key plus R. Search for %appdata% inside it and give it a go. Open the Minecraft folder at the top of the list, then open the mods folder and paste the mod file inside it. Also note that in case of T-Launcher, you can download the Fabric from this version list. Then open the Minecraft game, and when you are inside the game, press V in order to access voice chat. And that's how you can install simple voice chat in Minecraft. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.